Okay, y'all, quick little activity to do on Quizlet. So I'm going to send you this one. It's an addition practice. I want you to go through the flashcards. You're going to study all the flashcards. So 8 plus 2 is 10. Check your answer. Yep, got it right. Press the arrow. 1 plus 3 is 4. Yep, got it right. Press the next arrow. So you'll go through all the flashcards. You don't have to do these. Some of them are kind of tricky, so you can try them out if you want. See if you can figure them out. But the two super fun games are match. You have to make it disappear, and it's timed over here on the side. So you have to drag them and match them, and then they'll disappear. Super fun. All right, 3 plus 7, 10. Super fun. And 8 plus 2, 10. 9 plus 2, 11. 5 plus 4, 9. 7 plus 2. Yay! All right, so fun. There I am. Okay, you can play it again if you want. Beat it or not. All right, then you can go back here. Oh, I don't want to do that. Go back. Yep. And then the other one is gravity. Super fun also. Get started. And you can do it easy, medium, or hard so it gets faster. So maybe the problems. I'm not 100% sure. Let's go. It'll come down. You have to do the math problem. 4 plus 2. Answer it in here. 6. Enter. And the next one will come down. It's pretty slow. You can escape if you don't know it. 5 plus 3. 8. All right. So fun. I don't know what happens if you mess up. Let's say I mess up. That's not the right answer. Oh, it gives you another chance. Okay. There you go. All right, so I'm going to send y'all a Quizlet. I'm actually just going to send you this one. So you'll go in, do addition. You can do the flashcards, the match, the gravity. Some of these are tricky, like I said, because it wants you to put the exact math problem that it gave you. So you can give it a try if you want. All right, have fun.